What's up, my loves? Bonjour, mes amours. Welcome back. So let's remove waterproof makeup. Waterproof makeup is actually pretty cool during the summer, during, humid weather, when it's very hot out there, you're going to be sweating or you're at the beach. But how do you remove it efficiently? And I'm using regular baby wipes. This Badescu Rose Water helps to melt that waterproof makeup. So this is the first layer. There's a couple of steps in my personal nighttime routine, so I hope you get a lot from this. But I go gently on my skin with this sensitive baby wipe. It helps me remove, once again, the first layer. You gotta make that face or else you're not doing it right. Make that ugly face. And watch how I can remove my lashes so easily. This facial wipe, y'all. So my friend put me on, and ever since I've never looked back. So it is so soft. It is drenched in product, which is a really good thing because a lot of times you'll buy makeup wipes, but they dry up so quickly. But this one is just so filled with that good, not oily, but moisturizing product that really helps melt that makeup. So now let's just consider this the second layer. A tip too is don't get it in your eyes because it does burn. So watch your eyes. This is my favorite foaming cleanser. I've been using it for years now. And you know it's about to go down when the earrings come off. So I use this soap without water for the first round, just because I find it easier to really grasp onto whatever's left over on my skin, any debris, any leftover makeup, or just dirt in general. When you go in on dry skin, I find that it cleanses even deeper. And make sure to tap that water off. Don't rub it off. Don't get that skin aging quickly, ladies. So you can see that I still have some waterproof eyeliner. I'm going back with my baby wipe, and this is how I fold it so I can really get into these crevices, honey. I can really get a good grip and gently remove that waterproof eyeliner. And this is another way I fold it so that I can go and remove any leftover waterproof mascara, or even some glue from the lashes. Watch how it removes pretty much everything when you get so close to your lash line. I'm using coconut oil as like the big guns. We're really going in with everything we can to get that waterproof makeup off. So gently rubbing it along my eye line and closing my eyes so that oil doesn't get inside my eyes, because that could be annoying. It's not dangerous, but it just doesn't feel good at all to have oil in your eyes. But this is really good at helping remove that leftover eyeliner. So this is round 2 of washing my face with my cleanser. And this time around, as you can see, I already had a little bit of water, so I wet my face quickly, rub it, let it foam nicely, and get that deep cleanse, girl. How we looking? How we looking? So this is my newest favorite product. This correcting face oil helps even my skin tone. It's nice and light, and I know if you have oily skin, you're probably scared to see this, especially during the summertime, but I promise you it's a very lightweight oil, and it helps keep my skin tone even. So these were my tricks to remove your waterproof makeup and have beautiful glowy skin on your way to bed. Give them a little dance while you're at it. Why not? Feel yourself. This is a time for you. It's self-care. And, I hope it helps. I'll see you next time.